Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. In his final judgment before retiring as the Chief Justice of India, Justice DY Chandrachud came down heavily on the practice of demolishing the properties as a punitive action, which is popularly referred to as the Bulldozer justice. He argued that using demolitions as a form of justice is incompatible with the principles of a democratic society governed by law. The judgment made on the 6th November 2024 emphasized that while dealing with illegal constructions, this has to be done with appropriate legal safeguards that can secure rights of the citizens. Justice DY Chandrachud delivered the judgment in the context of a 2019 case related to the demolition of the ancestral house of journalist Manoj Tibriwal Akash in Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh. The property was said to have been demolished with no formal notices served. It is for this reason that the Supreme Court directed the UP government to pay Rs 25 lakh to the family, which had claimed as compensation. Additionally, the court called for an investigation of the state officials involved and demanded that discipline and penalties be given out to them. The verdict highlighted broader concerns about the misuse of executive power, particularly when dealing with encroachments or road widening projects. The Supreme Court instructed that before any demolition, the state must issue a notice and, in cases of objections, provide a detailed explanation through a speaking order. If objections are dismissed, the affected party should be given reasonable notice before any adverse action is taken. This framework aims to prevent unplanned demolitions and ensure that the principles of natural justice are upheld, thereby protecting the constitutional right to property under Article 300A. The comments made by Justice Chandrachud went further than the case at hand and speaking on the growing interference from outside the judiciary. He said this during an interaction he was a part of as the guest editor of the Times of India, where he described the pressure that is heaped on judges by political interests and private groups. He noted that those trolling on social media or the biased coverage that people get in the media can manipulate what the judges may feel like they have to do to fit some set of perception. But Chandrachud also insisted that he decides the case solely on legal grounds and not with any bias or any pressure from outside. Furthermore, the Chief Justice expressed severe criticism of the legal language used in court decisions, saying that such obscure terminology obscures judicial procedures for common people. He proposed a change in wardrobe and presentation and a more innovative and functional courthouse to make legal processes more accessible. He also underscored the importance of collaboration between the judiciary and the executive branch, despite ongoing disputes such as the government's hesitation to approve the appointment of lawyer Saurabh Kripal as a High Court judge due to his sexual orientation and his partner's foreign nationality. His term started in November 2022. Within Justice Chandrachud's years in office, he provided some emphasis into increasing the level of transparency and progressing within the necessary judiciary reforms. He admitted that sometimes it was bound to clash with government on various issues, but emphasized on the spirit of the fair and healthy debate that we need to have on these issues, particularly with regard to the judicial system and its appointments. His approach highlighted a commitment to strengthening the relationship between the judiciary and other branches of government while maintaining judicial independence. As Justice DY Chandrachud retires on November 10, 2024, Justice Sanjeev Khanna will be one who will take over as the next Chief Justice of India on November 11, 2024. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.